chip tier list.
Hi,
Chip tier list. That's what's happening. Super cool. I'm Muffle. This is Creeper.
Yeah.
Cool. We're done with the introductions.
Yeah, okay.
Time to eat.
So the first chip that we're going to be doing is, we'll start off with the basic. Let's do the basic tortilla chip.
Oh my god, water again.
Alright. Here you go.
Alright, it's what the chip looks like. Basic chip. You all know it. You all maybe live it, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. It goes well with like salsa and stuff.
Yeah. We're ready for the fight.
It tastes like a tortilla chip.
Really? And then it's not good. It's not bad.
Yeah,
Like a solid B.
not much to say about it. It's kind of just bland and salty.
I'm giving it a B.
B, yeah.
Also, I would also like to clarify, we're broke, so we did not go out and buy special chips. This is what was sitting in Creeper's pantry. Next chip, intense nacho Takis were not working. Oh, we're gonna do that.
You're gonna break all of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Whatever. Alright. Oh wait, we need to cleanse our palate.
Oh yeah.
Alright, intense nacho Takis. Cheese.
Pretty mid. They're kind of like Doritos, but
worse. I'll give it like a C plus.
I'm just gonna say C.
Okay. Yeah, C then.
Pretty mid. So far.
Next chip.
So far, worst chip. Next chip is
Next chip is Zap's Voodoo. Ow. You people, I don't know where they. I think don't they only sell these in Washington?
No.
Really?
No, they used to only be sold in New Orleans, and then they moved out into Washington.
Well, if you're not from Washington or New Orleans, you're probably like, what the hell are those? They're good. Okay, I promise.
I'm gonna see if I can like put links to the chips, every different chip, in like the description if I can.
How are you gonna put it on? Like groceryoutlet.com? Is that a thing?
No, like different chips have like different websites for them.
Okay. Alright. This is what it looks like. Potato chip. Very good chip.
A tier.
I'd give it like an A plus. If you haven't had these, they're like vinegar barbecue situation. They're very good. Highly, if you can get your hands on a bag, highly recommended.
Yeah, so you have to live in Washington or New Orleans.
Yep. Alright, next chip.
That like
Next
floated. Takis Blue Heat.
Okay, but first, we gotta cleanse the palate. Alright.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure everyone who's ever been on YouTube has eaten these before.
Yeah, they're kind of fire, honestly. Okay.
They're a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I mean,
it's good.
Yeah.
It's just hot. I'm gonna give it A.
Yeah, that little crunch makes it hit harder, so I was gonna give it B, but A, because the crunch made it go up a tier. All right, next chip.
Next chip. First, we gotta cleanse the palate again. We're running out of water.
Yeah.
Sun chips. Really good. This is not the good flavor, by the way. Why do you buy it? I mean, they're not bad. But why would you buy these when you can get the garden salad flavor? the garden salad flavor is way better. Okay, anyway. Why are these all broken? I want to hold them.
Because you threw them on the floor.
I did not throw them on. Oh wait, yes I did. I also slammed them on the ground. But you threw them at me. It's not just my fault.
That's not. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sorry for the cut. Peeper's phone ran out of storage space. So, yeah. We gave, the Sun Chips B tier because it's better than the Nacho Takis. It is not as good as the Blue Key Takis in its apps. We also, did, Skinny Pop, the white cheddar. What did we give it? Like C? D?
C.
C. We gave it C because it was kind of unflavorful.
Unreasonable.
So, yeah. Next chip.
This is just Takis Fuego, like just the normal Takis. So like,
That could be chilled Takis.
you have to be like, something is extremely wrong with you if you've heard of Blue Heat Takis but not Fuego. Something's extremely wrong with you if you've never heard of Takis in general, actually. Okay, these ones have to be more flavorful. These are like the newest chip I have. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Ow. I just bit my finger. It makes you want to eat another one.
Definitely more flavorful than your 8 billion-year-old Blue Heat Takis.
I'd give this A+, maybe S. I don't know.
Yeah, A+. I also give Zap Voodoo A+, maybe S. I might actually put. I might change my answer. I don't know. Zap Voodoo might be S.
Okay.
These are pretty good. These are like A+, S-.
Okay. Cleanse the palate.
Okay, anyway. We got this cheesy snapped. Irresistibly cheesy, delightfully thin, crave the moon crisp. I love Cheez-It Snaps. They're really good. Bottoms up.
Are you okay?
You mean am I okay? It's some fun.
Okay. I give that S tier.
Really?
It's kind of fire.
Oh.
Okay,
I
so
was gonna say, hey, yeah, that's good.
So we have 3 S tiers, so now we have to decide which of the 3 S tiers is the best.
We're gonna retaste all 3.
Yes. Here we go. So, Fuego first. So we have to decide. We're not gonna say what we rank it like directly after. Like after we all 3, we're gonna decide. Cheez-It snapped. Okay, Zaps Voodoo. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. On the count of 3, I'm gonna say your answer. What you think is the best is, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Zaps.
Yes! Oh my god, we're so insane. Takis was a close second.
Yeah, very close, but
Cheez-Its is definitely the worst one.
so
I'm sorry, Cheez-Its. You really need to up your game.
so
You're falling off.
A tier, S tier, and Womp Womp for everyone who doesn't live in Washington or New Orleans. I forgot for a second.
Yep. Maybe you can have them specially imported or something. I don't know. Figure it out.
All right, the final 3 is
That's Voodoo
Takis Fuego.
and Cheez-Its Snap. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the Patreon. On the Patreon, we will be posting bloopers of this video. So go subscribe there.
Also, 500 subscribers equals
We're doing a
cover of a song.
Popular.
Yeah, by the weekend, it's gonna be super Fortnite balls in your jaw.
Why would you say that?
Oh yeah, and by the way, make sure you subscribe to the Patreon because we're trying. Yeah, we're getting money for funny things.
And VR headsets.
And just so you know, here's a little motivation to subscribe to the Patreon. In the blooper video, he farted.
This is true. It's very funny, and you should go watch the video on the Patreon right now in order to watch the video. You have to subscribe to the Patreon at the low price of $3 a month. Like, anybody could afford that. I could afford that. What are you looking at me like that for?
Fortnite balls all in your face.
Hey!
Fortnite balls all in your face.
Hey!
Unlock your jaw.